Hey everybody, Jack here from Icebreaker. I'm going to show you how to set up modbot using an Icebreaker attestation to allow people to join your channel. So I have Romero. I also have RecBot that we built recently. So that allows people to tag rec, somebody's name, and bro. So this is an Icebreaker attestation. Because of that, and because I'm the channel moderator of Romero, I'm going to modbot.sh, clicking use modbot. I've already hit new bot for Romero, so I'm going to click into that. And the rules to be a member, these are the default here. So power badge and followed by me. I want to add a new rule of Icebreaker has credential. I think this is case specific as well. So I'm just going to add bro and I'm going to update. And I haven't added this to my channel yet. So I'm just going to grab this. I've already set modbot as a manager. Let's see, manage members. Modbot is a member. So I'm going to add as moderator. And I think that this should be pretty quick. Let's refresh. Manage members. Okay, great. So modbot is now moderator. So set as channel moderator. I have this URL. I'm going to add the channel button here. Who can cast in the channel? Right now I have everyone cast and reply. I'm going to make this members. And I'm going to add a link to the frame. Yeah, this is what I want. So in channel details, adding an extra link to the modbot frame. And I'm going to say join bro. Great. Okay. So now we have this here. This will fire the modbot. And if I click who to join, it's going to tell me these are the rules. You have to have a power badge, you're either followed by me, or you have the Icebreaker bro credential. The last piece of this is if you want to see who has bro, you can go to app.icebreaker.xyz/credentials/bro. And this will work for any of the Icebreaker credentials in addition to, let's say, skill:engineering. And that will load this up, or human. So that's an easy, quick way to see bro, who can give you bro, etc. And that concludes how to set up modbot using any Icebreaker credential.